In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Bolt.new token usage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see how many tokens you've used, what your balance is, and how that relates to your current plan. This is especially helpful if you're building or testing frequently and want to stay on top of costs and limits, or if you're troubleshooting why a build might be rate limited. We'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll share a few tips along the way to make the process smoother. First, open your browser and go to Bolt.new. This takes you to the Bolt AI Builder, the place where you create websites, apps, and prototypes. Tokens are the metered unit Bolt uses to measure AI activity under your account. Things like generations, builds, or model interactions, so your usage lives under your account settings. Once the homepage loads, give it a moment to finish any initial loading. If the site looks zoomed in or cramped, set your browser zoom to 100% for the clearest view. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the interface and click on the profile area. It typically appears as a small user avatar or your initials. When you open it, you'll see a panel or menu with account-related options. If your screen is very narrow, make your window a bit wider so the bottom left controls are visible. Resizing can reveal items that are otherwise tucked away. This profile area is where Bolt centralizes personal and workspace settings, billing, and anything related to your plan. From that profile menu, click on Subscription and Tokens. This opens the settings page that summarizes your plan and your token usage. Here, you'll generally see your current subscription level, your included token allotment, any add-ons, and a live or recent tally of tokens consumed. Some views also break usage down by day or project, which makes it easier to spot spikes. Look for the reset period or billing cycle so you know when your count rolls over. If you collaborate in a workspace, note whether the figures reflect personal usage or shared workspace usage. When reviewing numbers, remember that complex generations may consume more tokens than simple ones. Comparing activity to usage over a few days can help you budget more accurately. If you need a record, taking a quick screenshot of this page is a simple way to track changes over time. If the page doesn't load correctly, try a quick refresh and consider pausing any aggressive content blockers. Interface labels can evolve, so if you don't see subscription and tokens, look for a similarly named billing or token section. That's it. Go to Bolt.new, open your profile at the bottom left, and select subscription and tokens to view your usage whenever you need it.